warm welcome. You've joined us on Buy Now, Sell Now right here on ET Now, and this is a show where we address all your stock-related queries. You can WhatsApp us all your queries, and we'll try to answer them from our experts. You can mention the name of the company, you can mention the quantity that you hold, the purchase price, your time horizon, and we'll try to get them answered over the course of the next 1 hour. We will also be joined by a whole host of experts, but before that, let's take a look at how the markets are performing in today's trading session and turning out to be a good day for Indian markets in line with how other Asian markets were performing. In fact, Nifty is now up nearly 280 points in today's trading session, nearing that 25,000 mark yet again. Nifty Bank, meanwhile, is up 350 points above that 55,200 mark, and several sectoral indices continue to trade with gains today. In fact, Nifty Pharma Index is the only sectoral index which is bleeding today. But apart from that, we have IT Index, which is the biggest sectoral gainer. Nifty IT Index, in fact, is up nearly 2%. Infosys, Tech Mahindra, HCL Tech, Persistent Systems, all of them gaining anywhere between 1.5 to 2.5% in trade today. FMCG index is also gaining, and a whole host of stocks from FMCG index continue to trade with gains. So we have the likes of Varun Beverages, which is up 4%. ITC, Tata Consumer Products, Nestle, Godrej Consumer GCPL, Marico, Dabur, all of them gaining in excess of 1.5% in trade today. But on the flip side, as I mentioned, Pharma Index continues to bleed today. Nifty Pharma Index is down 0.5%. We have Sun Pharma down 3% after it reported weak set of numbers. Brokerage houses too are not very positive when it comes to Sun Pharma. That stock is trading near that 1670 odd level after reporting its numbers. Glenmark Pharma, Biocon, Torrent Pharma, Divi's Laboratories, all of them bleeding down anywhere between 0.5 to 1.5% in trade today. But keep sending all your stock-related queries, and we'll try to get them answered from our experts. And today on the show, we have Akshay Bhagwat joining us to answer all your queries. Akshay, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. And before we talk about queries that our viewers have started pouring in, first up, let's talk about the index, because we've seen a solid run-up yet again. Of course, we are reversing most of those losses which we registered in yesterday's trading session, nearing that 25,000 mark on the Nifty. What will your view be on both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty?
Good morning, Ashesha. So, if you look at yesterday's weekly expiry, the buy trigger came in exactly the last half an hour of trade, where there was a sudden spike in momentum that comes exactly at the support zone of 24,500. And today you have a pullback rally scenario back again, where the momentum from yesterday's closing hour continues. So, right now, as the positioning goes, the broader trend continues to be positive. 24,500 clearly is the support, and the first attempt which the market should make for is the swing high of 25,100. So with a positive view, 25,100 is the immediate resistance or the target area you can look forward to. I think the positioning is Bank Nifty is better than the Nifty index. Here, Bank Nifty has seen range bound trading action since the beginning of May, and it's time that Bank Nifty now stages for a major breakout. So right now, levels to keep in mind, 54,800 is an important support, and the immediate target area would be 55,700, post which Bank Nifty attempts a major breakout, which in all likelihood looks a likely scenario.